Hello everyone, the painting is done. We are here today now to flat and polish this orange monstrosity. For that I'm going to be using one of my Durablock and a bit of 2000. So to start with, make sure your panel is clean. You don't want any grit or contaminations on the panel. Just like that. And then get your bit of wet flat and go to town. Like that. Now all we're trying to do is knock the orange peel flat. You'll get a bit of paint come off on your block, but that's okay. That's no problem because you're sanding the paint.
Yeah, it's solid colour, so you're going to have colour come off, aren't you?
Well, you can see the in-between stages where I haven't flatted enough here. You can see where it's just taking the orange peel away.
Yeah, I could definitely see that.
Work through it.
There we go. You can see the orangey peely bits that need to be taken
flatted off. So basically we're going to do this over the whole panel. Caution on any sharp swage. If you go on these swages too much, you're going to burn through the paint. So be really careful. Work up to the swages, not over them. If you work over them like that, you're going to have a bad time.
Game over. And
you won't necessarily sand through the edge with the 2000. It'd take you a while to sand through 4 layers of paint with 2000.
But when you come around to polishing
But when you come around to polishing it, you'd be surprised at how fast you can burn through a sharp corner.
We'll show you the next stage of what you do after we have finished flattening the car.
Yeah. Next stage is we're going to use these discs that are from the mythical land of Abralon. They are 2000 discs. They are like this. They're quite nice. Nice and slow, 10 times over the same area. Gives roughly the desired effect of getting all of these scratchy flatting lines out, ready for polishing. Right, the quarter is now ready for polishing. Well, the whole car is. The whole car is ready for polishing. So let's go and check out what we've got to polish it with. Yeah? Are you excited by that, Rusty? I think she is.
So excited.
Can't you tell?
Let's go and look at these products.
Set up the most jerry-rigged lighting and polishing stand I've ever jerry-rigged.
That's a quality bit of kit there.
Thank you very much.
You know, it takes skills to create something like that.
Thank you.
You know,
this is the kit, the full ceramic kit here, starter kit. Let's see what we got. Right, so we have the woolly mop head that they have, which is really good. They're really good mop heads. And some normal heads, so foam and a soft for finishing. Oh, a really nice microfiber. Oh, that is plush.
Let me feel that. Oh, hello.
With no edges, no stitching.
Edgeless microfiber.
We're keeping that. So we have the ceramic cut one, cutting compound, and the finishing compound for ceramic finish. Well, let's
two-stage system.
Try it out. Let's give it a go.
Yeah. It is coming up nice.
It's very, 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 very fast. Right, let's you've seen that. So let's show you. This is just the normal 610. Is it extreme? 610 extreme?
Extreme cut. 610 extreme cut.
Yeah, it's not fresh on this. I've been using this.
See, you can see the dull, shiny right there.
That's not bad. That is extremely fast. That is one of the fastest getting a car to that kind of finishes I've ever seen. So that obviously that other compound is fast,
sharp.
To first compounding stage, so front wings left to go, but Leanne is up to something in here. You shirking?
I'm shirking. No, I am removing the tape from the frame.
Now that's a nicely painted door.
That's a lovely painted door, that, and all we've got to do now is paint the black and it is done.
Right, so all the compounding up to polish stage is done. The car is looking quite nice, don't you think?
I think it's looking amazing. Look at the shine on that.
It's not bad, is it?
How it should be.
So we are back in the booth to clean down, start putting it back together, mask up for black, and final stage, really, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep, it's fully functional. Have a look at these shut lines, there we go.
They're really tight.
Really tight, but nice and even.
Really tight. Unbelievably tight.
Lewis is just greasing up the door hinge faces. Thanks. Ah! Exposed.
The wrong side. Hatches on, we better just see if the door fits. Or shuts. See how the door shuts. Honestly, that's the first time I've shut that door.
Yeah. Let me see. Is it
it's
spot
a bit
on?
low, but it's not bad. It's pretty damn good. See that move?
That was inconceivable.
No, I ain't gonna get any better than that.
This is doing the final nipping. Gorgeous. Gorgeous that is. That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
Test this, make sure we're somewhere in the right place. This one is height's good, it's too far in, so we just got to pull it out. Oh. Put that one in there, make sure it doesn't move around. Some riveting. The trick to riveting is, when you feel it bite, like that, pull away from the rivet, don't push down, because if you push down it could skate across the panel. Whereas if you pull away, it'll just pull away from the panel.
Pull away!
Nice easy trick for you there, because it's so easy when you're riveting to, when it pops, it skates across everything. So if you just pull away in the last...
We've all done it.
Slowly. Up, higher, there we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Right, these things, light covers, they are all sorts of funny shapes. They are, well, I don't know what kind of shape you call
Wibbly
that.
wobbly.
This one, however, was the worst side, and we have managed to straighten it quite a bit. But let me show you how worse a one of these to a better one of these.
Yeah.
I used a heat lamp. It just warmed up the plastic until it was pliable and bendable. It kind of finds its own way. I was told you could do this with hot water. We tried hot water, maybe our water was not enough or we didn't try it for long enough. The heating is starting to straighten up, I think. You can see it's starting to take, you can push it and it will sort of, yeah, look at that. The bend has gone mostly. Rewarm it. How's that looking? Not too bad.
Not too bad, not too bad.
These holes. This one wasn't the other one was way worse than this one. If I'd have the air jet on, which I haven't put on, we could cool it down rapidly with the air jet. Awkward these things, aren't they? Pretty good compared to how they were. So we now need to mess around with getting the headlights in exactly the right place and getting these rings on, and then we have to pull the entire front off again to bolt everything up tight. Wow.
Oh dear. The last one.
The last bolt to bolt up.
And it's bloody sheared off.
And there's probably, I don't know how many bolts there are holding this thing down, but this is the last one. It goes here. This is the last one, and it's sheared off.